Hey class, I'm going to talk about creating a communication plan for a school division. The first thing I think that would need to take place is that there should be the marquees out in front of elementary and middle schools should be used to give important dates and other information that kind of celebrate successes of the school. The high schools should have electronic versions so they can scroll information related to celebrating school, teacher, student success, as well as important dates, information. SOL testing is coming up, and just information that informs parents of what's going on in the school. Next, the next thing that we're going to use in the communication system is a telephone blast system. Blasts will be used to share important information, send reminders of important dates, and other necessary information that may come up with short notice, such as school closings. The schools will have a Facebook page to share and celebrate student success, teacher success, overall school success. All right, when appropriate, pictures, videos, links to newspaper articles will be attached to kind of maximize the viewer experience. Just letting know the stakeholders in the community, what's going on in the high school, and just kind of a place to celebrate what's going on in the school, and just to showcase the students, the faculty, and all the great things going on. Twitter will be used for sporting events, concerts, plays, just kind of giving live updates, giving the stakeholders, the people in the community who may not be able to go to a game, the opportunity to follow the game and to kind of get live updates and just to kind of stay connected, even if they can't physically be there. I think the pros of this plan are pretty clear. I think that the communication that will be given through the different modes will, as they accomplish their goals, that is the pro of what each program has, but there are kind of some things to look out for. As far as marquees goes, the electronic version as well as the traditional version of posting information outside the school, the information can become outdated very quickly, and if you don't change the marquee, it kind of shows in a negative way when you are looking at something that is a week old and the date has come and gone, but it's still sitting up there on the marquee. So that's something that you got to definitely look out for. The telephone blasts, they can be very effective, but if somebody has a phone change, if somebody has a phone service that might be disconnected for a short term, or even possibly just a mailbox that's not set up, they might not get the information through that blast if they don't actually physically pick up the phone when the school calls. As far as Facebook and Twitter, the problem with Facebook and Twitter is the negativity that can follow. You intend to send out only positive messages, displaying the success of the school, but then unfortunately you've got the negativity that people can post. They can have fake accounts or whatever, and then all of a sudden you're dealing with a bunch of negative energy that was in from something that was supposed to be positive. Our society is very fast paced, and I think that having different modes of communication allows a greater opportunity for more stakeholders to get the information that you want them to get. So that is my plan, and you guys have a great day. Thank you.